Hello, teacher.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good too. So, may I ask you what are you doing now?
Yes, so today we are making spicy Korean chicken bites, similar to spicy Korean fried chicken wings, but we're cutting it up into little bite-sized pieces. So right now we have V2 and Mania are cutting up the chicken. We've got Lee, Honging and Natalie are making the marinade, and then later we are going to make the very important hot sauce that goes and makes the whole thing spicy.
So, may I ask you what is this, teacher?
Of course, so this is corn flour, or sometimes called cornstarch.
Yeah.
This helps the mixture bind to the chicken so that when we fry it, it doesn't just fall off, it stays on the chicken. This is just
flour. What
plain
does it do?
flour. So this is the main part of the mixture, and this helps the chicken get really crispy. So this makes a nice batter on top, and we add a lot of this to our mixture.
So, can you tell me what is this?
So this powder, this is onion powder.
Onion?
Onion powder, so it's just made from, I imagine, ground up onions. Same as the garlic powder, which we have over there. That's all going to give it a lot of flavor. That will be the marinade for the chicken, and then later on we use similar ingredients plus the hot chili paste to make the sauce that's going to cover these nice crispy chicken bites.
So, after this, can you show me how do we do that?
Absolutely. Which part? Making the chicken or all of it?
All of it.
Okay, so as you can see here, the first step is to cut up these chicken thighs where we took out the bone. So Mania and V2 did a great job there. They took out the bone. We cut these into small pieces, bite size, so we can just stick them in. Once that's done, we're gonna put all of this chicken into that marinade, and then we're gonna sort of massage it in, get all the flavors in there. We leave it for a few minutes, and that's called marinating.
Yeah.
While we let that marinate, we are going to make our nice sort of flour, corn flour, garlic powder, and all this sort of mixed together, except the soy sauce. That's going to make what we dip the chicken in before we fry it. Yeah?
Do you also mix it with eggs, yolk?
No, actually, no, it's just flour. Flour, cornstarch, and these powders together, and they should just stick on, really. So, yeah, there is no egg in this ingredient.